I love my son more than anything. And every day, I ask myself the same question. Am I doing enough to prepare him for the world? I can teach him kindness. I can teach him respect. But there are things a young man needs to hear from a man's perspective.
This book will help my son focus on his career goals, decision-making, money management, and more.
Some folks didn't have a consistent father in their life, and others didn't have a father at all.
What I had were the streets, noise, confusion. I had pride, pain, and a few hard lessons.
That's why I created The Father I Never Had, my AI dad. Not to replace real fathers, not to dismiss them, not to discredit them, but to multiply their presence.
The Father I Never Had. My AI Dad is coming soon.